In this video, we will be replacing the VVT Solenoid valve in this 2003 Toyota Camry. Taking a look inside the engine bay, we're going to focus our attention on the passenger side rear of the engine towards the firewall. Specifically, we are looking back behind the valve cover housing. And as we take a look around there, we can see that sensor in the back of the engine. Now, if we take a look back behind underneath that solenoid, we can see one bolt holding that in. But I also have a hose that is interfering with getting my socket in, so I will loosen that bracket and move that out of the way just slightly. I can then remove my wiring harness connected to my valve. And then I can get my 10mm socket on there and loosen that up. And you do want to be very careful that you do not drop that bolt in the engine. We then want to gently wiggle out the old valve. Now, it is stuck in there pretty good, and you need to kind of work it around the various components. And I do like to compare my old part with my new part just to make sure that it looks the same. These look good, so we will continue with reassembly. And before I install this, I am going to oil this up just a little bit. There is a rubber O-ring that helps seal this in the engine. And if we can apply a little bit of oil, it will help the installation and help that seal a little better. And positioning this correctly did take more time than I anticipated. You have to work it around the little flange for our hold down bolt, and it ends up hitting on some other components. So you just need to kind of gently work that in there. And with that seated all the way, we can reinstall our hold down bolt. Be very careful with this so that you do not drop it into the engine. And we can reinstall the hold down for our other line that was getting in the way. And that then is followed by our wiring harness.